India has now issued a statement amid the conflict that is escalated in the Middle East. The Ministry of External Affairs has issued a statement over the conflict as far as Israel, saying that Iran has launched a drone salvo and they are monitoring the airspace as well with the escalating tensions. Let me go across to Aditi now, who will tell us in detail the statement that has been now issued, Aditi, by the government of India.
Well, exactly. Amita, India has called for a de-escalation in the situation. As you know, India has been time and again advocating for diplomacy and dialogue and diplomacy to be used between the nations while the war can be avoided. And hence, India's statement I have with me, we are seriously concerned at the escalation of hostilities between Israel and Iran, which threatens the peace and security in the region. We call for immediate de-escalation, exercise of restraint, stepping back from violence and return to the path of diplomacy. We are closely monitoring the evolving situation. Our embassies in the region are in close touch with the Indian community. It is vital that security and stability are maintained in the region. India has also issued advisory alert for Indians in Iran and Israel.
All right, Aditi, thank you for that. Let me take a quick update from Rishabh as well. Rishabh, how is the ongoing situation there? Tensions escalating between Iran and Israel. India, meanwhile, has issued a statement.
Well, definitely. We have spoken to people who are posted in our embassy in Tel Aviv. We have spoken to people who are there, the Indians who are there in Tel Aviv or surrounding areas or southern or northern borders of Israel. And what we can confirm to our viewers that, yes, overnight there have been sirens in Jerusalem, Haifa, northern borders of Druze villages, or for that matter, a few of them in Tel Aviv as well. But as we are talking, the Joe Biden statement, the president of US has made a public statement where he has said that Israeli Air Force, along with US, UK, Jordan and Saudi Arabia, have very clearly decimated the attack of Iran and nearly droned all the drones that were coming Israeli way. So definitely, as per IDF, the worst is over.
Over the escalating tensions, India has now issued a statement calling for immediate de-escalation and concerned at when it comes to the situation that has been developing between Israel and Iran, the hostilities, and the Indian government now says they are closely monitoring the evolving situation.